Welcome back, folks. In today's video, we'll be sharing 5 essential tips to help you pick the right tree removal service contractor. So, let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Do they have proper licensing and insurance? It's crucial to ensure the contractor holds the necessary licenses and insurance to protect you and your property during the tree removal process. Tip number 2. Check their experience and expertise. Look for a contractor with a proven track record and extensive experience in tree removal. They should have the knowledge and skills to handle any tree-related situation. Tip number 3. Ask for references and reviews. Don't hesitate to ask the contractor for references from previous clients. Additionally, check online reviews to get a sense of their reputation and the quality of their work. Tip number 4. Get multiple quotes. Obtain quotes from different tree removal service contractors to compare pricing, services offered, and project timelines. This will help you make an informed decision based on your budget and needs. Tip number 5. Inquire about safety measures and equipment. The safety of you, your property, and the workers is paramount. Make sure the contractor follows industry safety standards and utilizes proper equipment for the job. And there you have it, our top 5 tips for choosing the right tree removal service contractor. Remember to do your research, ask questions, and make an informed decision. If you're in need of professional tree removal services, call us today at 510-256-7009 for a free quote. Our team is here to assist you. Don't wait, give us a call now.